And then when you actually do make a genuine offer that you actually fuck with, and you point this machine, this fucking death ray, if you will, at something, then it will do what you want it to do, which is make money.
For the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all.
Yo, what's going on? It is your boy Miguel, and I'm about to come at you with a very impromptu video. I hope you guys do not mind just how rugged this video is about to turn out, because someone left me a really awesome question on a video and I could not wait to answer it because I felt like I wasn't going to be as excited about it. So I don't have anything set up and ready to go. So I just needed to grab my phone and grab a notepad and get this thought out while it was fresh on my mind. So I guess I could take you to the question real quick. So Miguel, what's your funnels or strategies for email marketing? Currently trying to take the affiliate route, but also want to create a highly interactive audience, basically long-term sales. So first off, thanks for the question. Second off, your head is in the right place because you're thinking long-term. What can I possibly do long-term? And how can I do that from an email sense? A lot of people aren't really fucking with emails right now because they feel like everyone's so stuck on like mini chat and all that stuff, not realizing that everyone on the planet has an email address, and email addresses can still be very, very, very valuable. So how do you have to think about it in terms of email addressing? Let's say this is your pool of emails, your people, and this is where all the email addresses that you've collected. So let's say you have 5,000 and you want to try and you want to figure out how to get people in here. Not only do you need to figure out how to get people in here, but you need to also figure out how can you point to this like machine. This looks like a stomach right now. How do you point this machine at things so that you can potentially make money? There are multiple ways that you do that. The biggest thing is going to have to be an offer. So boom, you widen this up a bit and then you put offer. And then this is going to sort of act like a magnet. If you could picture this as a magnet. I'm not sure how to draw a magnet, but let's just say boom, boom, boom. All right, so now it's attracting a very certain type of person. So let's just use me as an example. You guys fuck with me. If you're watching this, you guys fuck with me because I talk about business and self-development and life shit. So awesome. So I may give you guys like free shit, like, oh, learn how to do this thing for free. Just give me your email address. Learn how to, here's a ebook, here's a course, here's all sorts of things. So like I'm basically sucking you in with all these different offers, pause. And then this is starting to fill up more. Now there's two things. There's one caveat that I would like to make. This is entirely possible to do without being a face of a business. It's possible. A lot of people are doing it. What Russell Brunson is teaching and what I also believe in as well is that if there's a face to it, it makes it way more real because it becomes a person that you can trust instead of just a business or a faceless email address. It becomes a person. So me suggesting a product versus Joe from your email address is going to be very, very, very different. So for example, I recommend the Ethic Planner book. I recommend that. And you guys know I'm not bullshitting because the only thing I've recommend on this channel as of now is that book, ClickFunnels, obviously, and all of my client shit for obvious reasons. So like you guys know, oh, okay, this person isn't bullshitting me. This is an actual like real person. So that's the one caveat I would say about whether or not you should put your face to it. My advice would be to yes. So now let's get back to it. The next thing, cool, you've attracted all these people. Now what's going to determine what you point this at long term is going to be what premise these people have gotten onto your email address in. So let's go back to me as an example. All of you guys are listening to me potentially subscribe to an email thing now or in the future because I've given you something business or self-development related. So if I were to ever offer you anything, any sort of affiliate deal, it's going to have to be related to whatever it is that you came in under that premise, if that makes sense. So the premise is going to equal the future. So whatever premise that they come in is going to determine what you point your people at. And the other caveat I would say is, as cliche as it's going to sound, with great power comes great responsibility.
Are you an Avenger? Yeah, basically.
These people are going to start subscribing to you and listening to what you say because they've given some sort of trust in you. The email address in and of itself is not as much of a trust barrier as it was in the past, but still consider it that. The more that you're able to build a relationship with this person, think of these as people, not just email addresses or leads. These are people. The more of a relationship that you're able to build with these people, then the more that they will start to respect and adore and love you as a person or a business. And then when you actually do make a genuine offer that you actually fuck with, and you point this machine, this fucking death ray, if you will, at something, then it will do what you want it to do, which is make money. And from this, like, it doesn't even all have to be just affiliate stuff if you put your face to it. If you don't put your face, it's going to be harder to make it other stuff, but you can. There's ways. But if you put your face to it, then you can be like, guys, I have this new chocolate bar. Can you guys please buy it? I fuck with this chocolate bar, and point the death ray at it, and then everyone buys it. Or you can be like, hey guys, there's this new book I like called Ethic Book. You guys are more than welcome to buy it in the link down below, or you guys can just check it out on a different link if you want. If you guys are just hating and don't want me to get any money, that's cool too. The point is, you attract them with some sort of premise. You attract them with different shit that they could be interested in, and that premise that you bring them in is going to determine what you point it at in the future. And in terms of keeping this list warm, you just want to give them bits of value. It can be different. So like for my clients, they're YouTubers, so they're making videos that I can literally just send them to. Be like, hey guys, like there's this new tip, this new trick, go check this out. But if you're not someone that makes content, you can point them to different articles. You can just give a little piece of advice that you may have, but you definitely want to keep this list warm and let them know that you care by just, you know, just showing them a little love, show them a little love, show them a little love. And then when time comes to pitch, when you're ready to actually pitch something, then boom, point the fucking death ray at whatever it is that you want to point it at. And this is my way of thinking about email marketing and affiliate marketing in the long term. I hope this makes sense. If you guys were fucking with like the way this video was done, like it's not polished, but I think it gets the point across at least. And I hope you guys like my drawings. Look at that guy. That's you right there. That's you. All right, so I'm just gonna end it. All right, I'm doing a little much. I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you learned a lot. That was a really awesome question. I really appreciate that question. Thank you, I really do. If you stuck to the end of this video, I want to say thank you. I highly appreciate the attention that you give. I only hope that you would subscribe if you learned something, like this video, comment below and all that stuff. Let me know if there's any questions you would like answered on a video, because I love answering questions on the videos, especially when they are of such a high caliber like this guy just asked. So once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, peace.